Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is how I made $10 to $1,000 plus in a day on BoomCrash Indices Multiplier market, BIX10.0 M1DROP cast. Trade one $10 to be made to $20. You can see it live. This is real. This is very easy. This is work from home opportunity for those that don't have job. You can literally take your $10 to $1,000 plus if you know how to do it the right way. Okay, you see, all we need is just 8 to 16 pips. Okay, depending on whether it is boom 1000 or crash 1000, crash 500 or boom 500. We only trade boom and crash 500 and 1000. Okay, so the pips requirement is from 8 to 16, but it cannot go beyond 25 pip. It cannot go beyond 25 pip. So let's say from 8 to 25 pip, depending whether you are using multiplier 300 or multiplier 400. Okay, so this is, you know, when I look back in the trading community, especially on the synthetic markets, a lot of people have blown their account trading boom and crash. But with this multiplier, all you need just small pip, you get 200% of your investment. Small pip, you get 200% of your investment. Actually, if you enroll for the course, because this is actually a course, because you don't even know what I'm doing here, because the techniques, the strategy that I use to generate the signals that I trade is hidden. And I'm the only one that generate the signal from mt5 and trade it on DayTrader on the RIF site. Okay, I only have the secret of getting the signal. This signal does not interfere with spike. Okay, yes, you can trade spike anyway, but in this video I only trade direction because I understand boom and crash so much. I know when direction signal is very strong. Are you getting me? So the course is already installed right now. I have already designed the course. This is very easy. The speed at which the profit is generated is very fast. The speed is enormous because, you see, boom and crash are designed to run with high velocity, with high volatility. Okay, whether direction or spiking, if it is spiking, it's spiking with high speed. If it is going in direction, it's moving at high speed. Like the speed is so much, the speed is too much. I think boom and crash have the greatest speed ever, especially when it comes to, you know, the rate at which a particular target can be hit. Once you get the right signal, you are safe. Okay, so that is it. So we are just on this is if you look well, if you are following, we are going to take $40 to $80. Imagine in less than few minutes. Okay, the speed, all we need is few pips. I'm using multiplier 400. If you check where that is 400, okay, I can be expecting 8 to 9 pips, just 8 to 9 pips. How long does it take crash market or boom market to reach 8 to 9 pips? Just, you know, in a twinkle of an eye, it does that. All you need is to be honest to your analysis. Okay, if you are trading direction, we are not expecting spike. If spike happens, okay, it should be a small spike. That means you have to learn how to do it the right way. So I don't need to be the one to tell you to buy the course. This course is hot right now, is installed right now, very cheap, very affordable, life-changing. Enroll for this course, your life will change automatically. Okay, with $10, if you put it in mt5 margin trading, let's say you are leveraging margin, you are trading the $10 on mt5, maybe using lot sizes, the spike will wipe your account out because you don't know what you are doing anyway. You have been losing from the inception of time. Okay, that's why I'm designing courses. I have several courses, but you know, they are costly. Most of my courses are costly, but I'm making this one so cheap. This course has a mark price. Like the mark price of this course is supposed to be $150, but I'm giving it out at a whopping cost price of $75. First 100 people to enroll for this course, we get it at $75. After that, the cost will skyrocket to $150 and beyond, because once I release a product, it becomes a Forex asset. Yes, but for the meantime, the price will be constant as I said, $75 for the first 100 people. Then in the long run, it becomes a increasing function of time. The price will rise. The reason why it will rise is that it has a high value. Few people that are ready to capture the opportunity, who want to attack fast, who want to act quick, because they really need this, they want to survive, they are giving up, but they get this opportunity, they see this opportunity, they don't want to waste no time, okay? They don't want to waste time, no time to waste from their side, okay? Such people will have access to this course at $75. But those that are dormant, those that are just procrastinating, when the time comes, you still come and buy it at high costs. So I think I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best to help the community. It's not every trader or creator, Forex YouTube creator can actually provide content like this. A lot of people have given up to trading, but each time I release a video, some people are motivated. Forget about just being motivated. Take action. In motivation, then action will make it a success. Then when you are motivated, you are not taking action, it becomes a failure. Yes, so take action. Okay, you see, we are now about to actually take $160 into $320. That is power. That is power of WINFX trading. We always leverage first exponential processes. We always use first exponential equations to make trading easy. What it is price action has microeconomic level and macroeconomic level. It has microeconomic behavior and macroeconomic behavior. There are price changes at lower time frame. There are prices at lower time frame that are proven to be steady. Their dynamics are steady. We are talking about boom and crash markets. At certain lower time frame, with good analysis, you can get a directional signal that never experienced spike. All we need is 7 signal, 7 trade. That is 7 signals, 7 trade, and we just need 8 to 25 pips depending on the multiplier. The higher the multiplier you use, the lower the number of pips that you have to pass through before the take profit is hit. So in the course, we'll be taught how to get signals that will allow you to use multiplier 400 and 300. Okay, so basically we teach you how to get all the signals that will comply with 400. Your life will change. You take $10 to $1,000 plus. I think it was around $1,280 plus. Imagine you are making thousands of percentage of profit. I don't know how we explain this. If you convert it to percentage rate, it will be $1,280 all over 10 times 100 over 1. So when you do the analysis, you are making 12,800% profit. Imagine. Even cryptocurrency, they don't just rise overnight, because you are making this money in a day. Cryptocurrency don't just pump overnight to such percentage. So this course is actually has more value than ever. Okay, it's valuable. I think me selling this course at $75 is not making sense to me, but I will do it just because of feeling I have for traders that have given up, traders that have lost so much money that they are emotionally down. They have nothing to do again. All they do is to watch other people make profits. I want those people to be revived. Okay, go and borrow money. There are a lot of ways you can make money to input in a business. You can use loan app and loan money from some organization. Use it, buy this course. All you need is $85. At this point, you need $85. $10 to put in your trading account, $75 to enroll for the course. I have done my best being a Forex god here. I've done my best. If I didn't give out this knowledge, it will be like my spirit will not be at rest. My spirit will never be at rest. Change your life today. Change your life today. I have not much to say. But I have given the best I can give to the community. I make it so cheap. It's very cheap. What is $75? You can easily make it from your small business or from your salary, and then you boom. Imagine you invested $80 and every day you are generating $1,280. Won't you vote the person that make you to have such money to become, like, won't you vote for that person, when it comes to who is champion in this game? Okay, so thank you. Keep watching to see how we hit the final target of $1,280. Bye for now. Okay.